Yes.
Martie, so we're going to discuss Ilani's journey with us, and I just want you to be honest in your opinions about what happened, how she developed and how she grew over the last 4 years, more or less, that she's been with us, 3, 4,
6? Yeah, 5.
5 years that she's been with us.
2022, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's, I want you to for a moment just forget about marks and the academics and just tell us a bit about how Ilani developed in her self-confidence and her personality since she's been here.
Personality-wise, I can say before she was at Zyberg, she was very introvert. She didn't really, in class, for instance, she would not participate. The teachers in the previous school always told me they have difficulty to keep her concentration, and that's also how it established that she was ADHD, because they said that was probably the reason, but it did not change much of the medication. But since she started here, obviously in the beginning it was different, so we had to get used to a complete different way of doing school and going to school and how it works. But I think the biggest thing that I saw with her is self-development and self-improvement and self-motivation to do certain things. In the traditional school, I, for instance, had to do all her notes. When it was exams, I had to summarize everything. She couldn't do it herself. But with time, up until this year, I could see last year, I did not even sit with her once to do schoolwork. She literally did everything on her own. And it's not because of who she is, it's the school curriculum is how it's developed to make them self-sufficient and teach them to do things on their own. And things like that, I only had to learn at varsity. School didn't teach me that, but here she is almost 14, 15 years old going, and she can do all these things on herself. Just working, planning her own week. It's like something that especially with an ADHD child, it's very difficult for them to plan because we have time blindness. But this school curriculum taught her how to actually deal with planning and dealing with her work and finishing it in time.
Yeah, so the closing dates and the due dates help her to
structure. And it's almost like it becomes part of her, how she works, that she completes it as it's almost automated at one point, because it's over and over the same, never different. And so it helps her to actually complete everything in time, even if sometimes she does it in advance. And she's like very delicate, and she was not like that at all previously.